Without a good conscience, no matter the dimension of faith in which you operate in, you are heading for an accident. Whoa! Yes. You're welcome. Actually, I'll be talking about conscience. Yeah, conscience. Following someone that knows the way guarantees your arrival to your desired destination. Without a good conscience, no matter the dimension of faith in which you operate in, you are heading for an accident, a downfall, a crash, a regret. Because your conscience is the invisible you that determines the destiny of the visible you. The you that cannot be seen by natural eyes, but he determines the you that we can see. It's the you that only you can relate with, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Just you at all times. Your most confidential companion that you can draw strength from, because its mission is to police your destiny unto dignity. Every mortal man has a conscience. You don't have to be a Christian to have a good conscience, but being a Christian will help your conscience to stay alive. Know this: the level of your conscience matters the higher you fly. Your most awesome companion, your invisible confidence, conscience, the life wire of every mortal man destiny. Cause no matter how anointed you may be, you must possess a good conscience if you want to operate in it. Without an exposition of the word conscience, perfection is an impossibility. It's not there, cause it's the monitor of your act, the monitor of your step, and send signal for caution. What is our godly sincerity? Demonstrated in our day-to-day life, our day-to-day work. No hypocrisy, no falsehood, no manipulation, but simplicity and godly sincerity. If you can follow a godly way and make it a way of life, then it's 100% guaranteed to have a testimony of a good conscience. I do say this, and I will always keep saying it. My words will either attract a strong mind or offend a weak one. God bless.